Abite kusukulu mwanayo afuna atakale dotolo.
The role of the Ministry of Information, Civic Education and Communications Technology is to ensure that there is that smooth flow of information between the government institutions and the public, but also the feedback from the public to the government or to the government institutions. Yeah, so we converged here from Monday, whereby Mesip, a project in the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, we have come together to share the expertise within the public service or within the government, so that we ensure that whatsoever is happening with the Mesip project, or whatsoever the improvements that are taking place in the education sector through this project, the government project to improve education standards, is well known to the public across the country. So we are using a number of platforms. We are assisting Mesip to come up with a website whereby people that have access to the website can be able to know more about what is happening in the education sector or what government is doing to improve the education sector. Likewise, another platform of communication that we are coming up with is a newsletter, but also a magazine. Yeah, so we brought district information officers where Mesip is being implemented, the districts where Mesip is being implemented, together with the Mesip desk officers in those districts, together, so that we share ideas and then brainstorm, bash our heads to ensure that, to come up with a proper plan, how best we can ensure that the country knows about what is happening in the education sector.
Help me, I wanna learn, I wanna go to school.
As a ministry, whose mandate is to ensure that the public is always aware of what is happening within the country, but within their government. We are trying to come up with a number of initiatives to ensure that we bring the public on board and make them aware of what is happening within the country. We should get to a point whereby Malawians ourselves are telling our own story and not relying on the media or other people that are across our borders to be telling the story about Malawi. So as a ministry, we're coming up with a number of initiatives to ensure that the communication between the government and the public, but also between the public and the government, is improved. And then there is that the gap between the government and the public, in as far as communication is concerned, is narrowed completely, so that people begin to feel that this is our government, we can communicate anything with this, with our government.
Banjali koza kudigira, banjali koza kudigira, banjali koza kudigira, banjali koza kudigira, chiro ikoza kudigira, chiro ikoza kudigira, chiro ikoza kudigira.